I asked for napkin 18 times and they're like, what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my best friend's birthday and we are on our way to Yorkdale Mall's, what is it?
Restoration Hardware.
Okay, and yeah, we're literally on our way, just trying to get there on time for brunch, and these bitches are all squeezed up in the back. Makeup by Ebhi. Hi guys, say hi. Hi. Alright, so yeah, I'm really excited about this place. We'll see what happens when we go there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep posting. But yeah, we're just waiting for the bus right now.
Oh, are you vlogging?
Yeah, no, I wasn't vlogging.
Was I Sanu? Was I totally Sanu?
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through.
We bumped into.
2,000 years later.
So guys, we just reached Restoration Hardware and it's really nice in here. I mean, I'm feeling like I'm in the middle of some French chateau, but yeah, I'm gonna show you around. Ebhi, can you hold this? Alright, okay, yes, we're vlogging. This is Marika, guys, and that's Sanjana. And we have our birthday girl here, Kay Nadi, my all-time videographer, but today it's makeup by Ebhi, who's behind the camera for now. This is so nice. I'm so glad who selected the place?
I did. The birthday girl did, and it was never wrong.
So you selected this place?
I did.
Are you gonna pay for our food? Or drinks?
Like every other time I do.
Cut, no. Yeah, so now that Kay is not paying for our drinks, we're sitting here with broken hearts.
I'm gonna try this.
Swarika is
Your
crying.
heart was broken anyway, shut up.
I'm very excited. Sanjana is excited to be paying for her food, so she will pay for mine. Thoughts? Ooh,
I just
what's
can't
that?
take my eyes off.
What's that?
My brand new Tiffany necklace. Thank
Aw.
you.
Makeup by Ebhi. Promote yourself. You have 30
So follow
seconds.
me guys on makeup by _ Ebhi.
Check out this eye makeup. She doesn't need promotion.
Ooh.
Hit me up.
Hit her up. And that's it. I think we're done with the day. Yes. Go home. We're waiting for the bus. It's so late. Never mind. Restoration Hardware, highly recommended. The prices are actually really good. It wasn't like over the top. From the looks of it, I thought it was gonna be really expensive, but it was actually like decently priced. And their latte is really good. Make sure you try it. And
Scarf. It goes really well with my handbag.
okay, bye. I asked for napkin 18 times and they're like, what?